Welcome to the channel. I'm Uncle Mark working on a GMC Terrain. I think the Chev Equinox is going to be the same. What I'm doing is just checking the air filter out on the engine. I'll show you, you can come along and watch how I do that. Pretty easy for you to check it on your own. Why pay somebody to do it when you could do it yourself? And let's see if it's dirty or not, and if this is something you want to try on your own. So here on the passenger side is this box. Should be an engine cover on that, but it's been taken off. There's your power steering, reservoir. Now it should have 4 of these bolts or screws. They're a special design. You need a special screwdriver or bits for it. T20 torque is what it is. These are very popular fasteners nowadays. If you don't have a set of these screwdrivers, you should get one. Put a link in the description. I use these quite a bit. And the T20 is probably the most popular size. There's 4 of them. This is what they look like. They're basically screws with a special torque head. And these come out. You notice on that. If you don't know what that is, that's a block heater cord. Up here in Manitoba, Canada, we need those. Rewarms your engine up in wintertime or keeps it warm. There's one of those screws hidden there. Take that one out. This one was really tough. Maybe because this cord's in the way. Should probably just move the cord. Try and get my fingers down there and not drop it. Very hard to get out. Expect it to fall. It'd be nice if the screwdriver was magnetic, but I don't think it is. And ta-da, got it out. It's the third one. And there's one way in the back on this corner. A little different than some vehicles. Some vehicles have just a couple clips. You unclip them, they're like either a spring clip or some other kind of clip. No, this has got these screws. Let's see if we can get that one out. They're not tight because they're going into plastic. But try and get them not to fall once you have them all the way loose. That's the key. And it looks like, ta-da, I didn't drop it. Let's pull this out of the way. And there it is. That's the filter, just sits in there like that. Basically only goes in one way. Take a look at it. This is the part it sucks from. It goes through this side. So it's getting a little dirty down in there, but it's pretty good. It comes out that other way. It's actually, you can see the way this unit is made. It just kind of sits in there. And then just, we'll pretend I'm putting a new one back in, but I'm just going to put this one in. Put the screws back in. Again, they're just going into plastic, so they just have to be, you know, pretty snug. Good to check this. I don't know what the book suggests. I guess if you're in a dusty area, you want to check it a little more, but I usually check mine when I do my oil change. Get this one in here too. Pretty easy. Like I say, I'll put a link in the description as to where you can get these screwdrivers if you want a set of them. And I think I am done. It's going to be that easy. This gal should be good for, well, at least another 6 months. So definitely something that you can do on your own if you have that screwdriver. Link in the description for those screwdrivers. Very popular, the T20. Most of the vehicles now are using those kind of screws. If you like the video, can you give me the thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe down in the corner. And the next time I do a video, either on this vehicle or others, you'll be notified automatically. As well, right here, above the blue circle, I'll put a playlist to the GMC Terrain, this specific one that I've been working on. It's a friend of ours sure she's going to have it for quite some time, and there'll be things that are going to break. And if you want, you can follow along and root me on as I'm fixing them. Until next time, we hope you and your family are staying safe. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. What a person might be able to do, I'm trying to just kind of hold the cover up a little bit. There, I got it. Didn't drop it. Amazing. And under here is where... What's the other one we're working on? Oh,